Okay, this is my Ashley Hearth 1200 square foot heating wood stove. It was placed into my vehicle with a forklift. I don't have a forklift here. The thing weighs 250 pounds about by itself according to the directions. It is too heavy for me to actually lift out of the truck. I'm going to start by putting this board over here. Okay. What I'm going to do is I am going to make a ramp out of logs that I cut firewood. And at the bottom, it doesn't matter whether I have logs, but these are just to keep the board here. And the board is to keep the logs from going under the car. And I'm going to fill this with logs to make a ramp. Now, I've even added some defunct propane tanks. Let me put this here to keep the logs from moving. Okay, I've got my ramp. I'm going to go and start to inch the stove out. Okay, go a little crooked here. All you have to do is, I'm going to tilt this just a little bit and hold it. That's all you have to do, hold it. Just don't let it move. I got to get this out of the way. This one too.